Hey, this is Rich over at TVP Live with another quick tips brought to you by Adobe Photoshop Elements Independent Tutorials Group, and let's jump right in. This poster here did a great job at taking the color out of the rest of the picture and leaving just the colorful two-decker bus. But there was apparently some smoke down in the corner here. So I think what we want to do is really simple to fix the smoke area that looks lighter here. And it's not a matter of getting rid of the smoke. It's probably just a matter of making it more contrasty like it is up here in the trees. So the contrast is high here, it's high over here, and the smoke basically is not really covering anything, it's just making it less contrasty. So why don't we just duplicate this layer and take the top layer and let's bring this contrast higher to make it this area and to make it look as contrasty as the rest. Now when I'm doing that whole layer, obviously it's going to show on the whole picture. But so just look at that corner and adjust that little corner area. So I'm going to go to adjust lighting, brightness, contrast, and forget about the rest of the picture. Just look at that little corner there, bottom left, and I'm going to bring the contrast up. And you see I can bring it down, bring it up. So I'm going to bring the contrast up and then bring the lighting down a little bit. And there you go. That little corner it doesn't look as as bright as it was before, and the contrast is higher. That's basically what you want that little area to look like. Now we want to do is have that area look like that. I'm going to hit OK, but the rest of the picture go back to the way it was. So I'm going to take that layer that I changed and bring it down underneath the original picture layer here. And then I'll take that original picture layer, grab an eraser, and just erase this whole area. Look at that 400 point eraser. And I'm on the top layer. I'm just going to do a little bit of erasing right here. I'll just dab it once and maybe bring it across to this side a little bit. And there it goes. It just basically brought the contrast down. If I turn off the background layer, you'll see what part I erased from the original photo, allowing the bottom part, the more contrasty part, to show through. That's pretty much it. Now it looks a lot better. There's no smoke in there, and the contrasty down in this corner looks the same as above. That's all there's to it. That's all for this tutorial. This is Rich calling it over and out. Bye.